Hello! So we've just driven over from Pettistry to Bentwaters here. That was a lovely drive. We're just going to get the final things ready now for all of the people to arrive for our Drive It Day. Oh, and it looks like the sun's poking its head through.
I don't want to jinx it, but that's almost sunlight, isn't it?
I know! So hopefully it will be a nice sunny day for when everybody arrives. Stop raining! But Lily's just arrived with the coffee, so all is well.
Most important thing of the day is the coffee.
Police car. So you better behave today, Freddie. Morning!
It's even got the original bank track in it.
Oh wow!
The original tax disc.
That's cool.
Oh, that's
I like
amazing!
it.
Carpenters, the singles. Oh yes, this is a comfy ride.
I'll put that in, I'll put that in.
Yeah, please do. It's Steve! Steve! Welcome! Good, thank you. Oh, Steve, thank you so much for coming.
No, my pleasure. It's the first time I've took her out on a proper kind of rally show kind of thing, so I thought, why not? Bring her here today.
Oh, are you loving her?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Whenever the weather's dry, we're out.
Well, thank you so much for bringing her for us to see again.
Well, thank you guys for running the competition so I could actually win her. I mean, and it's really, if I had £1 for everyone said to me, I've never met someone who's won a car before, I could probably buy 5 of these. It's ridiculous, everyone says it. And like, are you sure? I have to show them the video from Ipswich Town and the thing, and they go, so you really did win it? Yes, I really did win it. For £8? Yes, I bought one ticket for £8. And like, they just don't believe you. They really don't believe you. So no, seriously though, I mean, I never thought I'd own a V8. I did win, I thought, oh, it's gonna be wet, do I? But I've done some modifications, so I've added inner plastic wheel arches. So it stops all the muck going up, sitting underneath all the inner wings. You read all the info, they all say they rot. There's a little shelf underneath here and they all rot from stuff sitting there. So I thought, right, get some inner wheel wings in it to protect all that as well. The exhaust, she's got a tracker on there now, so I don't want to lose her. So she's got a tracker fitted and everything.
Well, Velma does really seem like she's your absolute pride and joy.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely enjoy it. I mean, you just hear that rumble. Whenever you drive past someone, they'll look because they hear this V8 rumble.
Yeah.
It's just nice. Yeah, it's lovely.
Amazing.
It's
Well, thank you so much, Steve. Freddie, a film off. It's 10 o'clock and all the cars are starting to arrive, so we're starting to get in full swing here this morning for our Drive It Day. Now we're going to have a little look around now and check out all of the wonderful cars that have arrived. I'm here with our very own Sam, who helps us with our live streams on a Thursday night. Sam, you have brought your Porsche today. Tell us about your Porsche.
Well, it's not very clean, it's a bit dirty. I got it last year, it's a 1983. So no power steering.
What is your favourite thing about your Porsche?
My favourite thing is definitely the pop-up headlights. I think they're so cool. Yeah, definitely the best thing. Definitely the best thing of the era.
Yeah, I love it. I love that, the little whoop whoop.
Yeah.
Love that. It looks like the Porsche Club have just arrived because we have a really long line of Porsches now coming into Bentwaters. What a lovely sight. How do I, sir, can I please use your tannoy?
Sorry?
Can I please use your tannoy?
Yeah, of course you can.
How do I do it? So I press
Probably best get in because otherwise I might get feedback.
Good morning everybody and welcome to Bridge Classic Cars Drive It Day. We hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy looking at all these glorious cars. That was a lot of fun. How you doing? So it's going really, really well.
Here we have one that's evolved version of the side.
Camper.
Let's go to the car sizes.
So the Mini that we just see over here, I believe, is one of our winners, Holly Farthing, who won, I think it was a 1968 Morris Mini. This lovely green one that's now coming up. It's so, so cute, this car. Here she is. It's lovely to see, and so lovely to see your car again.
Yes, little Penelope.
Yeah, so how have you got on since winning, Penelope?
Fantastic. We've had a few nice little drives. She's gone to meet my uncle's Cooper S. So we had a meeting of the 60s minis. So, but yeah, she's great. She's obviously had winter in dry store, all tucked up. She's been kept running, kept warm, kept dry. And we've had a great drive here today. She's raring to go.
Amazing. So how does it feel like to drive her, because it's quite a little way, isn't it? About 40-minute drive from where you are?
We took the country route.
Nice.
So about 55 minutes. Yeah, she's great. It's great. We've got a little portable speaker. We pootle along, and surprisingly enough, she wants to go. I even actually took her to the local garage just to get her checked up on the ramp. They said no, she's brilliant underneath. She looks amazing. So yeah, she's had a once over and a complete clean up. Well, not that she was that dirty, to be fair.
But thank you so much for bringing her. It's so lovely always to see our competition winners coming out with your car. So all of the cars are now on their way to Pedestrian. We're just going to go along the runway here at Bentwaters, which is amazing. Look at them all. So they're all on their way to go to Pedestrian for the second half of our Drive It Day here at Bridge Classic Cars. Let's go.
Look at all those cars on the runway still.
And there we are, leaving Bentwaters to drive the nice country route back to Pedestrian. Here we are. And here's our director, Gordon, leading the way. I did it! I don't even know if you were filming, but I did it. Got a little bit of sweat on.
I'm filming now.
So I just reversed the lovely Ford Escort Mexico recreation with no wing mirrors. I'm very proud of myself. I did get a little bit of a sweat on, but we're all good. We are now here at the workshop in Pedestrian, where all of the cars that have been in the convoy off from Bentwaters are now arriving. So Craig's here, just telling everyone where to go to get the best spot so everyone can have a look at these gorgeous classics.
I'll get the TBR down to you now. Yeah, that's
The rain started to come down outside, so everybody has hustled and bustled into our atelier building where they're getting a nice coffee and warming up out of the rain. Okay, so we're going to do a little food review because me and Freddie are starving. I think I'm going to get something from Suffolk fried chicken. Let's try. What? Gochujang.
Gochujang?
Yeah.
Gochujang, yeah. So gochujang is it's like a spice paste almost. It's a Korean spice paste. It's got like chili, ginger, garlic, all of that in it.
Ooh, okay. Go on then, I'll have the.
Punchy. It's like,
is it really spicy?
Not really. No. It's tangy spicy.
Okay, I'll go for that one then, please.
Yeah. So we use free range Sutton Hoo chicken. It's all slow grown. It's really nice chicken. It is the best. Marinate it in buttermilk, and then we dust it in our spice mix and flour, and then we fry it fresh to order. So when we get really busy, some people sometimes do tend to wait a bit, but they always say it's worth it because it's fried fresh to order. You know, it tastes better. It's crunchy. It's brilliant. It's really nice. It is. It's literally just down the road from where we are now. Yeah. So it's nice and local. That's obviously the whole idea of it. Is Suffolk produce. It's in the name. Try and reduce food miles, and it's better food anyway. And just supporting other local businesses. So it's a win-win for everyone.
I didn't know what gochujang sauce was, but I think it's apparently like a spicy sauce.
The pronunciation was perfect.
It's really not. I had no idea how to pronounce it. How embarrassing.
There you go, guys. 2 Korean clackers.
Thank you so much. The Korean clucker.
I beg your pardon?
Looks beautiful. It looks beautiful to start with. Brioche buns glistening. Presentation. I'm thinking, what are we doing it out of?
I think let's go out of 10, shall we?
So presentation out of 10. Now I do quite like it when a burger looks like it's been like chucked together and full of all nice juicy yummy things. So I'm going to give this probably, I'll say a 7. A 7. I am enjoying it. This is going to be a bit of a mission. I apologise now if I make a really big mess. Okay, I'm going to get this side because it looks like it's got some Korean slaw. Here I go. That's really yummy.
Just getting the nod.
That's really nice. The bun is really soft, and then you've got the crunchiness, excuse me, of the outside of the chicken, and the tanginess of the coleslaw, and that gochujang sauce that I can't pronounce. But no, that's really, really yummy. Look at the size of that gherkin. Oh, delicious. It might be one of the messiest burgers I've ever eaten, which makes it even more the better that Rody filming me do it. It is very yummy. I'm literally saying 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
It's delicious.
So is that your overall grade as well, 9 out of 10?
Yeah,
because you only gave it a 7 for presentation.
I know it. Yeah, no, I am. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10? Wow.
Right,
I'll let you enjoy in peace.
we're now winding down towards